tell us, what is today?
My birthday.
Yes, are you excited? How old are you now? How many is that?
3.
And what is this that you're holding?
A flower present.
From who?
Grandma Sunda.
Okay, open it up. You can just tear it. It's a mess.
Okay. Open it.
Okay.
Oh.
You want to open the card first?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Help her. Help her open stuff
Look,
up.
Claire, look at that.
What is that? Oh, it's a dress, a shirt or a dress.
A shirt dress. Hey, what the heck? And that's a skirt.
Claire, what is that? What do you think?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh, it's so pretty.
I want to see.
Look. You have
No,
something
no,
else
wait.
too.
Come on. Look, what else is there?
Shirt.
Pretty shirts.
Shirt and pants.
We should wear these today.
Claire, what do you say?
Thank you.
Say, look at the camera. Say, thank you, Grandma Zenda.
Thank you, Grandma Santa.